Today, I'm going to show you how to measure from your PS4 to your router. We're going to need a measuring tape. Here's the PlayStation in the box. Let's say we hook it there. Okay. I think the router box. So we have 22 feet. Ouch. You can add another 6 feet. And here's the slab. You gotta grab the wire. First thing, you're gonna need a hole. Next step, you want to make sure you bought the right cable. So you're just gonna insert it and wait for a click. See, we got the right thing. Gonna put the cable into the hole. Make sure you put enough so you can pass that fucking foam and everything on there. Perfect. Make sure you have enough. Okay, now I'm gonna drill the hole to go through the PlayStation. I'm gonna show you how. I just want to remind you that we're far enough from the bathroom. There's no way we're gonna hit a pipe. Always clean behind you. It is now time to go crawl under the house. I'm just gonna get ready and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pass the wire from one hole to the other hole, okay? I would highly recommend that you wear a coverall while you're going under the house or a trailer, because it's really not nice to get dirty after all. Don't forget to grab a flashlight. Okay, here's the party starting. We're gonna crawl. Right there is where I'm going. Quick look. So over there is my wire, and I'm gonna pass it about somewhere there.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody...
Okay, now the dirty job is done. So we're just gonna go upstairs and plug the PlayStation, and that's it. So remember, if you would like to subscribe to my channel or leave me a thumbs up, I'll appreciate. Thanks, and see you in the next video.